Okay, so let's begin looking a little bit more carefully at Heidegger's text, The Origin of the Work of Art. There are three parts to the essay. We're going to look just at the first part, or that first half of the first part here. And just in general, what he's talking about is opening up the question of the origin of the essence of what art is. He's interested in the essence of art, but also the origin of the essence of art. What is art really? And you might want to think of art, or it should come to mind when you think of art, the beautiful. What is the beauty? What is the beautiful's relationship to art? Think about Plato and Nietzsche, how they found beauty and the forms for Plato. Beauty was so important. As a matter of fact, Plato says in the Phaedrus that the form of the beautiful is the only form that actually shines through into the visible world. And of course, for Nietzsche, art, beauty, was what gave us meaning, right? So it's interesting that for both Plato and Nietzsche, and for Heidegger as well, he's not just interested in art for art's sake, or beauty for the sake of, for itself. Like, as a matter of fact, he's very critical of art for art's sake or museums. But he's interested in the relationship between beauty and being. Why? Because meaning and the beautiful are so connected together. We're going to see when we get to Kierkegaard. The way Heidegger talks about art and the way Kant talks about art, Kierkegaard's going to talk about faith, almost in the same way that one would describe the beautiful. It's very interesting, too. Just reflecting on my own religious experiences, I always notice this. They have a certain semblance to my experience of a beautiful piece of art, a beautiful song, for example. And this is why, of course, in the Catholic Church, liturgy and beauty, though it's not always beautiful, is connected to the sacred. And this is what Heidegger's thinking at the end of this, that the connection between art and the sacred. Okay, that was a long introduction. I'll just stop there and I'll start the next video on the first part of the essay.